it's the first time you watched my videos, hello butterfly lover, you are in the right channel. We all love butterflies here and we all have addictions just like yourself, so welcome to the Butterflies channel. Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today is another messy project, so get your fingers dirty. I'm going to, well, what is in my head, I want to use, this is one of my favorite stamps from Stampin' Up and I don't use it enough. It's the Butterfly Brilliance. So what I want to do, I want to create some watercolor background, stamp the butterflies on it, fuss cut them and then create some embellishment using, I've got the overpriced Tim Holtz Ephemera. You know how much I hate this. Not wrong term. I don't hate it. I just, for what it is, it's way too much money. So I want to use that and not buy them again. And then I'm going to use some of these tickets. They were, I can't remember what's the name of it. I want to say ticket book or die cut ticket book from Tim Holtz as well. So you get a selection of little tickets and I think it's there like train tickets and stuff. So yeah, so we're going to play with these because I want to use them. So I already gone ahead and made some. This is my first one and I don't know what you can see, but it's, you got 4 different colors. You got some pink, some green, some blue. Love it, love it, love it. So what you need, I'm using my pro marker. So you need any sort of like markers that you want, but they've got to be alcohol based, okay? And then I'm just using a cheap, what do you call it? Nail polish remover, because that will activate the alcohol. So we're going to have a little play. The problem I've got here is this is like this. So it doesn't, I've got to be extremely careful because I've done it a few times and I'm literally got all the desk full of it. It doesn't matter, but yeah. So let me just gonna clean this for a second. Is this on the other side? Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I've done another video with this technique, but you just put in any colors that you want on your, this is a very old stamping block, then, because I've got my new one from Stampin' Up. So I'm using these old blocks just for this sort of project. You can use as many colors as you want. You can use any combinations that you want. So feel free to spend the entire afternoon experimenting, and then you just need to drop a few drops of it. As you can see, it's all over. Doesn't matter. And then I've got some watercolor paper and I'm just going to mix it like that. Oh, didn't work. It's because it didn't go as far as that, yeah. So I'm just moving the ink. You just need to play with it. But don't forget the butterflies are not, the real butterflies has got all different color blends. So I'm going to use it. I love this one. So I'm going to have a little play. The annoying thing is that I can, because of the bottle, the alcohol, I can really direct the alcohol where I want it to go. So it's just going to be a play. Now on top of that green, I want to use some of these beautiful, have I got a pipette? No, I haven't got a pipette. You just need, yeah, something that it drops. And this how big that is. Yeah, it's more likely. Okay, so you get the gist. Okay, so I'm going to play them all. I'm gonna, before I stamp the butterflies, I'm gonna show all my background. It's gonna be like a step-by-step video as usual, okay? So I'm going to play with this first and I'm gonna be right back with you. Okay, finished, and I'll clean my hands as well. So let me show you really quickly the background. So this is with the watercolor paper. That's probably one of my favorite. Got some yellow, green and pink. This one is very, very addictive, this sort of technique, because you can make them as many as you want. You can either leave like this and then maybe like doodle some flowers and use them as little tags. You can, this can be a little slim card. You can put, you know, happy birthday and just even stamp or doodle in something on top. I love this. It's a shame because I don't really think you can see what I see in flesh. But just beautiful blend of purple and pink. That's the very first. And then I'm quite surprised on how the vellum turned out, because I was like, oh, it's not gonna work, but it is. I actually prefer the effect on the vellum than is on the paper, because the vellum doesn't absorb the ink. So it just, and then I was playing like this, so you know, you got to play and see and maneuver the color as you go along. But love, there is a bit of yellow, orange, red and pink, so I did a different layers. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love this effect. So if you like play with colors and more like arty project, that is definitely the project for you. This is a bit, don't think you guys can see it, but there is a green, blue, turquoise and grey. I love it. It's probably my favorite, but I'm conscious that you guys might not be able to see it. That's just pink, just one color. Just wanted to see what it looks like with just one color, and I really like it. And because it's alcohol, it's not water, it dries really quickly. So love this. It's a red, green, purple and blue, but again, I don't really know what you guys are gonna see. Last one. Here there is green, olive green and a bit of red and a bit of blue in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to stamp the butterflies and I'm going to use them, 1, 2, 3, 4, all 6, because I want in different sizes. And then I'm going to fussy cut them and I'll be right back. Okay guys, let me show you. It goes without saying, but the one with the vellum are my favorite ones. I think they turn out beautifully. All this has been fussy cut. I don't mind fussy cut. I mean, I know a lot of you have fancy cutting machine equipment situation. I don't. I mean, I don't want to say I like fussy cutting. I'm not going to wake up in the morning and have my cereals and say, right, I'm going to fussy cut 30 butterflies today. But I don't mind it. But because it's quite therapeutic. But these butterflies, OMG, I love them, and I love them. But the one with the vellum better than the one with the watercolor. Let me just put them in here and I'll give you a quick zoom in. That's my favorite. Now, because it's a watercolor paper, you get this effect, but if you print them on like a normal paper, the design of the butterflies is more, you can see it better. So yeah, and then it's the first time you watched my videos. Hello, butterfly lover. You are in the right channel. We all love butterflies here, and we all have addictions just like yourself. So welcome to the butterflies channel. Love them. That's probably my favorite. And that. I like them all. So now again, without bothering you and making this video unnecessarily long, what I was thinking to do is just simply staple them. That's what I'm going to do. I might put some ribbon, but do these layers, and I don't know if I like these things in there or if I'm going to cut it. No, I think I'm going to cut it. Yeah, because this is what you get from the die cut books that you get that thing. So yeah, very simple guys. I'm literally going to layer them like that. Job done. Oops, simple as, literally like that. And then that is because it's all about the butterfly. It's all about this little tag situation. Okay, let me do them all. Am I going to put some ribbon actually? I don't want to make them too mixed media-ish. I don't want to start overcomplicate them. and I'm definitely going to use some of these as well. Right, I'm going to have a little play and I'm going to show them once they're nice and done. Done them. They're super easy, guys, honestly. I mean, I'm going to quickly give you a tour of these embellishments. I mean, it's just literally some layers and staple them. And I played with different Tim Holtz ephemera. Has some paper from a paper pad as well, also from Tim Holtz. You guys got to use up what we have. We can just hold them forever. And as you can see, they're super easy. It's just the layering on things. Sometimes the better projects are the one that actually easier. You don't have to overcomplicate things. I mean, this is just, you know, it's layering and staple it. That's what it is. That's probably one of my favorite. And because the watercolor gives that extra detail of like everything is more artistic, like handmade, I think it complementary really, really well with the vintage style of the ephemera. I mean, that can be any easier than that. It's like a bingo card, an ephemera and the butterfly. That is it. So, I mean, you can, I put 2 butterflies and some. I mean, that is super cute. But look how simple it is. It's just a layering on things. And I got one more here, which is that. Okay, guys. I hope I give you some idea today just how to create these beautiful vellum or watercolor butterflies, and how you can use up your scraps or your embellishment to create ephemera, to create some embellishment. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, because it really helps the channel and the video. I will see you on Friday, guys, for an amazing Friday freebie. I just want to take this opportunity today to say thank you to the new ladies that joined the VIP subscription this month. There's been a lot of you, so thank you, and thank you for the feedback on the kits as well. I know you guys lacking all the papers, so thank you. Right, guys, I'm going to go. Enjoy the rest of your day, and until Friday, stay safe and well.